Manufacturing environments demand fast, targeted communication to manage emergencies like equipment failures, fires, chemical spills, and cybersecurity threats. When lives, equipment, and production are at risk, DeskAlerts software helps manufacturers take control. Here are 6 ways manufacturers are using DeskAlerts to stay safe, compliant, and operational. When an emergency happens, reach employees within seconds, bypassing email inboxes, chat apps, and other communication channels that people may overlook. Send alerts across screens, notify your staff to evacuate. No delays, no confusion. With DeskAlerts emergency panic button, employees can trigger instant alerts, sending real-time notifications to security teams, management, and first responders with a single click. Managers see real-time status of who has received and confirmed alerts in DeskAlerts. Warn teams of incoming storms, then quickly locate employees who didn't get the message to follow up. Segment alerts to avoid confusion and prevent alert fatigue in large or multi-site facilities. Send IT outage alerts only to departments experiencing system failures, preventing unnecessary IT tickets from unaffected areas. Use ready-made templates for fires, cyber attacks, floods, and evacuations. Schedule monthly, quarterly, and annual drills to rehearse real-life emergency scenarios and ensure compliance. DeskAlerts tracks and logs every alert sent. It supports regulatory audits and root cause analysis, so you can measure, prove, and improve your emergency readiness. Discover how DeskAlerts can help you prepare, alert employees, and respond faster. Book your personalized demo today.